Elon Musk once lived in a tiny house and called it a once-in-a-lifetime experience. He even mentioned that he might consider launching a Tesla tiny house for around $7,000. While this may sound unbelievable, it could be a clever strategy to save Tesla or part of Musk's broader ambitions. Musk has always focused on sustainable solutions, and he has suggested that tiny houses could be the future of housing, especially as the cost of land skyrockets, making it increasingly difficult for many to afford. The idea that Elon Musk, with a fortune nearing $300 billion, lived in a tiny house might seem hard to believe. After all, he could easily afford any billion-dollar mansion or castle, yet Musk opted for a tiny, simple structure called a casita. And honestly, that's remarkable because this tiny house has everything a traditional home offers, maybe even more. So what would a $7,000 Tesla tiny house look like? Why is Elon Musk investing in this concept? Many stories have circulated about Elon Musk's Tesla home, but most are exaggerated or full of misinformation. So what is the truth? The tiny house Musk lived in is actually under 400 square feet and located in Starbase, Texas. He bought it in 2021. What makes it unique is that it was constructed by Boxabl, a company specializing in advanced prefabricated homes. The entire installation process took only 1 hour. This house was one of the first 3 prototypes built by the company. Since Musk began living in it, Boxabl has received nearly 200,000 orders, potentially generating almost $2 billion in revenue. It's clear that Musk's endorsement has turned Boxabl into a phenomenon. Without him, we might have never even heard of it. Let's return to Musk's casita. What sets it apart? The entire structure of this house is fully manufactured in a factory, including walls, ceiling, and basic interior elements. It's then transported to the site and assembled. And here's the surprising part. Elon Musk bought this tiny house for just $40,000. At first glance, one might assume that the casita was a typical prefab home with plain drywall walls. But after diving deeper into its design, we realized it's much more than that. Could this be the future of housing? And how could it be built for just $7,000 with installation costing around $500 when Musk invested in it? If you think Musk's casita is just a simple prefab house, you're mistaken. There are no flimsy drywalls or fragile materials. The casita is made with advanced technology and ultra-durable materials, including steel, concrete, insulated foam, and multi-layered panels. These materials are compressed under 250,000 pounds of pressure to create a solid structure ready to withstand hurricanes, floods, and snow, harsh weather conditions that many traditional homes struggle with. If it's good enough for Elon Musk, it's certainly not a typical house. Musk's focus has always been on long-lasting, sustainable products. The casita is small but limitless. Thanks to its high mobility, the house can be transported anywhere using just a flatbed truck. When in transit, it folds down to 5.8 meters by 2.6 meters by 3.8 meters, optimizing space and reducing costs. Weighing 5,900 kg, the entire installation process only takes about an hour. It's so quick that you could order it in the morning and move in by the afternoon. For just $40,000, you get nearly 400 square feet of living space featuring 4 separate rooms and a ceiling height of 9 feet 6 inches. What's more, Boxabl's smart design allows multiple casitas to be connected and stacked, creating larger homes or even multi-story buildings. You might think that a $7,000 Tesla tiny house would be much smaller than the $40,000 tiny house Musk owned, but we see things differently. Instead of reducing the living space, we believe the Tesla tiny house should focus on minimalist interiors, optimized design, smart technology, and an enhanced living experience without sacrificing square footage. So what does Elon Musk's $40,000 casita look like on the inside? To better compare it with a $7,000 version, let's first examine Musk's $40,000 tiny home. At 400 square feet, it might sound small, but Musk's casita is designed with incredible efficiency, maximizing every inch of space. The most surprising thing is that it doesn't feel cramped. It's actually incredibly comfortable and convenient. The living room is the largest space in the casita, and this makes sense as Musk often works from home. As the founder of Tesla and SpaceX, Musk has turned this area into a mobile office where he can oversee work without leaving home. Behind the living room, there's a large bed separated by a partial dividing wall that not only defines the sleeping space, but also incorporates built-in storage to optimize the area. But here's the real surprise. Musk's casita has 3 bedrooms. Initially, it had just 2, but Musk converted the garage into a 3rd bedroom. In videos showcasing the casita, we've noticed that Musk uses smart folding beds that can be pulled down for sleeping and tucked away when not in use, an ingenious way to maximize space. You might wonder if this tiny home even has a functional kitchen. At first, we also thought that would be impossible due to space constraints. After all, kitchens usually require a complex setup. However, we were amazed to find that Musk's home is fully equipped with everything a kitchen needs, including a sink, refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, and storage cabinets, all arranged in a compact yet highly efficient manner. Thanks to its intelligent design, this space is even more practical than many small apartments. A small dining table is integrated into the kitchen counter, saving space while maintaining functionality. Naturally, the casita also has an exhaust system to keep the air fresh. At first, we doubted if the casita could fit a standard bathroom, but once again, we were wrong. It has a sink, mirror, toilet, and a spacious shower cabin. The sliding door not only saves space, but adds a modern touch to the bathroom. Every inch of the casita is optimized to create a cozy and comfortable atmosphere without feeling cramped. Now, if Elon Musk's $40,000 tiny house is fully equipped with smart design and modern amenities, what can we expect from a house priced at just $7,000? Despite the significantly lower cost, a well-designed tiny home can still meet all basic living needs by maximizing space efficiency. The key lies in the optimal arrangement of furniture and interior design. In the $7,000 model, the living area would likely be combined with the sleeping space, which could feature a foldable bed that transforms into a sofa during the day and expands into a bed at night. This dual-purpose setup helps save space while maintaining functionality. As for the kitchen, due to budget and space constraints, this home would feature only the essentials: a small electric stove, a sink, and a mini fridge. Unlike Musk's casita, which includes an oven and dishwasher, the $7,000 home may have only a portable induction cooktop and some wall-mount shelves for storage. A foldable dining table or a wall-integrated option could serve as a dining space when needed and save room when not in use. The bathroom would be simple with a toilet, small sink, and a shower. To keep costs low, the shower area might have a curtain instead of a modern glass enclosure. However, with clever layout choices, the space can still be comfortable and functional. Given the limited space, smart storage solutions like wall-mount shelves, built-in cabinets, and underbed storage would be essential. Drawers, underseating, foldable shelves, and multi-purpose furniture would help maximize usability without cluttering the space. To enhance natural lighting and ventilation, large windows would be incorporated to make the space feel more open and airy. While it might lack an advanced ventilation system like Musk's casita, a simple exhaust fan or large windows would still ensure a fresh air flow. Although the $7,000 home wouldn't have the luxury and amenities of a $40,000 tiny house, it could still provide a comfortable and efficient living space. By embracing smart interior arrangements and maximizing available resources, this affordable home could offer a minimalist and sustainable housing option. If launched, Elon Musk's $7,000 tiny house would not only be a home, it would represent energy efficiency. The interior could be equipped with energy-saving LED lighting and smart devices that significantly reduce living expenses. Most importantly, Musk could achieve this ultra-affordable price by using Tesla's available resources, especially its renewable energy technology. Tesla could play a key role in providing energy for a tiny house. The Tesla Powerwall system, a type of energy storage battery, could be optimized into a compact version to help the house operate independently without needing to connect to the electrical grid. Additionally, Tesla's solar roof could be integrated to generate clean electricity, making the tiny house completely energy self-sufficient, ideal for remote areas or people who prefer a minimalist, nature-friendly lifestyle. Furthermore, construction materials could be sourced from Tesla and SpaceX. The 30X stainless steel used in the Cybertruck could be a perfect material for the tiny house's frame and exterior due to its durability, corrosion resistance, and strength. Insulation technology from the Dragon spacecraft could also help maintain a stable indoor temperature, reducing energy consumption for heating or cooling. The Boring Company could provide low-cost building materials. The company has already experimented with recycling rubble from tunnel excavation to create construction bricks, which could be used for house foundations or weather-resistant walls. With these technologies, tiny houses could be more durable without driving up costs. Additionally, Tesla's Gigafactory production process could help reduce costs by automating and mass-producing tiny houses. Using Optimus robots for cutting, welding, and assembly would speed up production and reduce expenses, making tiny homes more accessible to a wider audience. From a technological standpoint, tiny houses could be equipped with high-speed internet from Starlink, ensuring connectivity no matter where you live. Smart systems like water recycling and air filtration from SpaceX could also be miniaturized to turn tiny houses into fully self-sustaining living spaces. And if there's one thing Elon Musk is known for, it's breaking norms. While most people live in luxurious mansions, Musk decided to sell almost all his assets in 2020, including his private homes. Why? To embrace minimalism and live in a small house near his workplace. This was a bold move. While most people pay hefty rent, Musk chose to live in a tiny house at a fraction of the cost. So, why is the tiny house trend growing? Boxabl isn't just building houses, it's reshaping the construction industry with a new approach. Its foldable design allows the casita to be transported on highways, eliminating the cost and legal barriers associated with moving homes. This enables mass production in a factory, followed by quick and cost-efficient delivery. Boxabl aims to manufacture one house per minute, and the fact that Musk's casita can be fully set up in just an hour only adds to the allure of this innovative housing model. Musk's involvement in this project could be more than just a temporary living situation. He may invest in the creation of Tesla tiny houses priced at just $7,000 with installation costs as low as $566. A collaboration between Tesla and Boxabl is entirely possible, especially since Musk has already given the company free promotion. His endorsement aligns with his values of sustainability, affordable living, and reducing the cost of housing. Musk may also see the long-term potential for these tiny homes in space exploration. After all, Musk's vision of colonizing Mars is far from over, and tiny homes like these could be ideal for living in such harsh conditions. The materials used to construct these homes would be lightweight and easy to transport, perfect for future colonization efforts, whether on Earth or Mars. The sustainability of modular housing is key to Musk's ultimate vision for humanity's future. In the end, this tiny house represents more than just a place to live. It's a testament to Musk's minimalist philosophy. He doesn't indulge in luxury, but instead focuses on meaningful, impactful projects. Whether on Earth or Mars, his tiny house is a glimpse into the future of human habitation, one that prioritizes sustainability, efficiency, and smart design over extravagance.